the last snow cone for the day.
You what?
I always get my way. I'm very adventurous. This is completely unacceptable. Okay, want a snow cone? Full chocolate ice cream was delicious. Fine, can I have a chocolate ice cream cone, please? Yes, you got it. Let's see here. Looks like I'm out of chocolate too. I'm running low on all my ice creams. What? Running low on ice cream? No ice cream at all? I'm sorry, I have more customers than I usually do today. Looks like I'm gonna have to run over to the ice cream shop and stock up.